My name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And I apologize in advance this week that I am so washed out. It's a sunny day here, and I have lots of windows in this room. But I want to take a few minutes and talk about an issue that came up at the Changing Hands Indie Authors Conference over the weekend, and that was publishing contracts. Particularly, what's the difference between having a copyright assignment and a copyright license? Because if you are lucky enough to get a publishing contract, it will be one of those two things. So to back up a little bit, let's talk a little bit about copyright. When you write your book, you have copyright rights in whatever you create the second it is fixed in a tangible medium. And your copyright rights are the right to copy, distribute, display, perform, and to make derivative works based on whatever you wrote. So when you get a publisher and they want to publish your work, they're going to give you a contract that is either an assignment or a license. So what's the difference? A copyright assignment means that you give up your copyright to the publisher. They become the owners of your copyright. You no longer own your copyright. If you publish your work after giving an assignment to somebody, you are actually committing copyright infringement against the person you assigned it to, even though you are the original author of the work. If you assign your copyright to somebody and you realize after the fact that you've made a mistake, you probably are going to have to buy your copyright back. Now on the flip side, if you have a copyright license, you retain ownership of your copyright, and you are only granting the publisher permission to publish your work. And the license will have details about whether they are the only people who are allowed to publish your work, what type of payment or royalties you will get, and how long the license will last. So for those of you who are authors, I strongly recommend that you have an attorney review your publishing contract before you sign it to ensure that you understand what rights you are retaining and what rights you are giving up. If you want to contact me, there's a link below, and I put out content every week, so feel free to subscribe. There's a button up here somewhere, so you can keep up with whatever legal tips and ideas I have to share. So thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Take care.